Hey everybody, it's Robb. Today we're making two vegetable washes for fruits and vegetables to remove bacteria and pesticides. The first one is a vegetable wash to remove bacteria, and the second one is to remove pesticides. I did a lot of research online and I couldn't find any scientific studies to prove that the vinegar wash was any more effective than just rinsing for a long period of time. But so many people have used this for so many years. I knew if I didn't provide a recipe on making a vegetable wash for bacteria, someone would want one, and this is what people have been using. But the one for pesticides is something new. The National Institute of Health published a study, I think last year, 2019, on using baking soda to remove the majority of pesticides on fruit and vegetables where the pesticide hasn't gone into the skin of the fruit or vegetable. But these are very inexpensive and quick and easy to make. The first one we'll make is the vinegar wash for bacteria. It's just 1 part vinegar, 4 parts water, which would be a half a cup of vinegar and 2 cups of water. After you make it, you would soak for like 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. For the pesticide wash, it's 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of water. We're going to make a gallon, so we're going to use 5.3 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 gallon of water. And there again, you would soak for 12 to 15 minutes to remove the pesticides and then rinse thoroughly later. I wasn't going to do this part, but I know if I didn't, people would ask you, well, how do you make it? For the vegetable wash for the bacteria, it's 2 cups of water. And then we're going to put in a half a cup of vinegar. Now, some people use soap, like dishwashing soap like Dawn, which is a very mild soap if it doesn't have any chemical aromas or things that make it smell. But the thing is, the soap gets into the skin of the vegetables and you can't rinse it out. So this is a half a cup of vinegar, and where's my lid? Excuse me. So that would be the vegetable wash for removing bacteria. You would soak for 12 or 15 to 20 minutes. Some people also put this type of liquid into spray bottles and spray like their leafy greens and so on if they don't want to dump them in there. But I haven't found any laboratory tests to show how effective the vinegar is over other methods of removing bacteria. Also, some people, when they make their vinegar wash, they add a little bit of salt. As far as the pesticides, I was really surprised to find this. It seems to work very well to remove the majority of different types of pesticides. It's not going to be effective with all pesticides or with all fruit and vegetables. Also, once the pesticides get into the skin of the fruit or vegetables, it's difficult for any liquid wash to remove the pesticides. You're best just to buy organic or to peel your vegetables, but you can't do much when they get inside the vegetables. So you would put 1 gallon of water. This is a stainless steel container, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a tiny bit more, 5.3. Mix it up and you're done. This would be what you would rinse and soak your vegetables and fruits in to remove your pesticides. It's effective at 2 minutes, but the longer you soak, the better. I think the study was like 15 minutes was optimum. Of course, it depends on your vegetables and your fruits. Some of them probably will benefit by a second wash. And after you do this, you would rinse thoroughly. Almost every study I read online said the majority of fruits and vegetables are best served by just rinsing thoroughly to remove bacteria and pesticides. But there are people out there making their own, and this is the best one I've seen with this scientific study backing it, showing that it removed quite a bit of pesticides. Now, some people add salt to their washes. In some pesticides, the salt actually inhibited the ability for the pesticides to be removed. So I would add salt with a bacteria wash but I wouldn't add salt with the pesticide wash. So I hope this is something that's helpful to you. I'll be putting on new videos every week, if I've been doing for the last 13 years. Can't help myself. Got over 800 videos. Bunch of cool people I feature on my channel. And like I said, I put stuff on new every week. Hope you all come back and watch more, enjoy in the future. And if you guys have any tips about vegetable wash for pesticides or bacteria, please leave them in the comment section. We're all in this together. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.